हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आप सबके लिए और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डिक्टेशन लेकर आया हूँ। ये डिक्टेशन पटना हाई कोर्ट एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है। आज की डिक्टेशन हमारे स्टेनो सॉफ्टवेयर पर भी अवेलेबल है। आप लोग चाहे तो इस डिक्टेशन को स्टेनो सॉफ्टवेयर से भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। स्टेनो सॉफ्टवेयर पर और भी बैचेस एंड डिक्टेशंस अवेलेबल है जो कि हर एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जैसे पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट, एसएससी, एम्स, मिसलेनियस और भी बहुत सारे बैचेस अवेलेबल है। आप लोग डेमो बैचेस से प्रैक्टिस करके देख सकते हैं। ओनली 99 रुपीज़ में आप लोगों को एक महीने के लिए फुल सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगी। साथ ही हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से भी जुड़िए, वहाँ न्यू डिक्टेशंस, पीडीएफ्स एंड अपडेट्स मिलेगी। दोनों के लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है। डिक्टेशन सुनिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और अपनी स्पीड को बढ़ाइए। शुरू करते हैं आज के लिए पटना हाई कोर्ट के लिए ये डिक्टेशन।
The borrower, instead of complying with the said order, preferred appeal number 267 of 2005 before the DRET, which admitted the appeal and passed the following interim order pending passing further orders. The appellant shall deposit a sum of 7 rupees lakhs directly to the first respondent bank. However, there shall be stay of implementation of the order in favor of the second and third respondent. It is APT to state here that the appeal was directed to be posted. The bank filed a reply before the DRET highlighting the consistent default by the borrower. The auction purchaser, the third respondent herein, did not file an appeal before the DRET but filed an application under section 151 of the Code of Civil Procedure. The DRET took up the application and observed that, as the purchaser had already been impleaded as a party to the appeal, she would have the right to address the court and accordingly disposed of the application. As the factual narration would reveal, the appeal was adjourned from time to time and eventually the DRET passed the following order: counsel for the parties present. I have heard them at length. Counsel for the appellant is ready to pay the entire amount up to date minus the penal interest, for which no provision was made in that context. The column of penalty portion was left blank and no amount was mentioned therein. Therefore, I am of the considered view that the appellant has not to pay the penal interest. The residue amount to be paid to the bank within 45 days from today as agreed. The builder has already recovered the amount of 7 rupees lakhs from the bank. That amount will be paid by the appellant to the bank directly within 45 days as agreed. The appellant will also pay simple interest at 9% from the date of payment to the builder till its realization within 45 days. As agreed by the